All right, so once you have done all of your boxes, and I apologize, I'm kind of cheating the system here before I finish my whole picture. What you are going to do, let me go ahead and zoom back out. So if you pretend with me that the whole thing was done, and I'm going to use my contour line box as the example, as I will go ahead and write in the word sorry, my hand is struggling to get around the tripod. Contour line, then hopefully you'll write just a little better than I do. You're gonna go in with your eraser. Now here's the trick. Never like do this, you'll end up tearing your eraser. So always hold the edge and I just pull the whole thing across the space so that that grid, everything is gone. So all I'm left with is my Sharpie line and the name. And then once that's done, I'm going to sign it in the bottom right hand corner with whatever my signature is. And then I will flip it over and I will write in pencil very lightly my full name, first, last, right in the center, the class period, and I will write hashtag and the number assigned to me and put a circle around it. And then you are done with grid 7. Oh, then you have to photograph it. So sorry. So in order to photograph your picture, you will need to get a camera. Make sure it's your number. Numbers are on top. You will grab your SD card number, which has silver on the back. Then you will open up the bottom. You just pull this bit out, plop her open, insert your SD card. Confirm that you have a battery in there. If you don't have a battery, you can get it from the bucket labeled charged. Once you have your battery, turn the camera on, and then you want to stand so that you'll be further away from your thing, so that you are directly over top of this. And the way that I find that easiest is to put this drawing in between my feet, and then I just zoom in and I hold really steady. I hold my breath. I push the button half the way in to get it to focus, all the way in to get it to click. Then I want to go ahead and hit the playback button, and then I want to look really closely to make sure that my picture is in zoom. Once you're in the playback function, which is the buttons right here, you can actually use this toggle to zoom into your picture to see whether it's in focus. If it is out of focus, delete it and retake your picture until you have 100% in focus picture of your final artwork. If you have the ground in your picture, that's okay. I just want it to be straight over top. Like I wouldn't want your corner to be like this when you look at it, so make sure it's as over the top of your picture as you can get. Once that is done, you are ready for grading. You will come see me and then for display.